Writing persuasive property descriptions is easy with Narrato's AI property description generator. We'll show you how. Open the AI Content Assistant on Narrato Workspace and find the AI property description generator by clicking on the Descriptions category pill. Or simply use the search bar. Open the property description generator template and enter the key details about the property. This includes basic information, such as the property type, and features like the number of bedrooms, square footage, or any unique attributes you want to highlight. Select the desired number of words, format, and pick a tone for your description, and click the Generate button. The AI generates a property description based on your specifications within seconds. Need more property descriptions? Use the bulk generate option at the bottom of the template to generate hundreds of descriptions within minutes. Upload all property details on a CSV sheet and get all your descriptions generated in one go. Generate amazing property descriptions for your real estate business faster than ever. Try out Narrato's AI property description generator today.